The news in the world does not stop, especially about the environment. In a corner of the globe, the state of the ecosystem worsens.
A civil engineering student, it seems that only construction, road and structural designs are the most relevant to be able to perform in the labor field. However, there are changes in the environment that are of interest and that must be combined with the knowledge that is acquired in the classroom. I make a read when respecting the environment.
We have realized about that to fight against current climate changes, we must start by knowing the basis of some problems. For example, the majority of the economy is based on the use of fossil fuels, such as oil in the transport sector, as well as coal and natural gas in electricity.
Although this energy helps the growth of economic development, also increases the demography limiting the territory destined for flora and fauna. But the achieving change we must start locally. The Poza Rica de Hidalgo city is in the northern state of Veracruz. Its population and vehicular flow have content in increasing pollutant emission, which generally increase in temperature, causing the excessive use of the air conditioning by the people that exceeds the thermal comfort, increase the consumption of the energy too.
This motivated to search for a sustainable ecological alternative that mitigates the use of this system, as well as seeking sustainability in existing infrastructures. But what does it consist of? I will explain. The initial project is contemplated for the roof of the civil engineering building of the Faculty of Engineering and Chemical Sciences. In an area of 516,328 square meters, it's proposed the implementation of an energy-generating green roof system. Once the data necessary to analyze the place has been collected, we will design structures that will work like supports to build areas for student recreation. Solar cells play a very important role in this system. They not only will provide electrical energy to the building and mobile devices, but also function as roof or contemplated structures likewise. The naturalization system will provide protection spaces for the building with particular materials and characteristics to create areas of beautification and environmental benefit.
This edition will be the point to establish the same proposal on the building of the Engineering and Chemical Sciences Unit, as well as the entities of the Poza Rica, Tuxpan and Coatzacoalcos region, which are areas with the highest record of heat waves, as well as benefit for economic saving in energy consumption for the university.
But can more be done?
With the new technological era, we are committed to that. Our initial project is a key piece for development of programs that function as a database. We know that there are technologies linked to solar panels, but we not create technologies for pop system. A program that contains the necessary data of the place to be analyzed, temperature, precipitation, etc., that be adaptable to the region, incorporate to the study of the structural problems of the existing building, and adapt them technically, environmentally, and intelligent to the new era.
Our career is not from the creation of new technologies. However, the field is difficult and without knowledge this is not possible.
We are Usil Garcia Villanueva and Nancy Elizabeth Alvaro Antonio, and we aspire to be the winners of Seed for the Future. And participant is already a great opportunity to incorporate fixed-head technologies such as Huawei to civil engineering.
Because we are convinced that we can improve the design and construction of buildings to cultivate in each person a good coexistence with the environment, along with correct technologies such as Huawei, and thus revolutionize green building engineering in a smart way.